Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover 5 best budget hammered drills in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Chemo Cordless Drill Driver Kit Hammer Drill. Chemo is one of the lesser known brands but has a great rating. It also makes a great hammer drill option that is cordless and works on battery power. As mentioned earlier, this is a cordless hammer drill that uses 20V batteries for its power. And these lithium-ion batteries offer a decent battery life along with fast charging support. These batteries can power this 3/8-inch hammer drill that uses a 1350 RPM motor. A great thing about this hammer drill is that it comes with a 21+1+1 clutch and 2 variable speed triggers. This makes it an excellent option for many users as it can be used for various applications. It offers an RPM range of 0-350 and 0-1350 RPM. And it can provide a max torque of 330 Nm. Number 2. Our second best pick is Dewalt 20V Max XR Hammer Drill. Dewalt is one of the most reputable and recognizable brands of power tools out there. It offers a wide range of power tool options, including the hammer drill present in this article. Dewalt's DCD-996B hammer drill is present in the second position in this article as it is one of the best build hammer drills out there. You get a half-inch drill bit size that is powered by a 38,250 BPM motor. As a result, you can use it on most surfaces without any issues. One of the best things about this hammer drill is that you get a 3-mode LED light in it. This can be used as a spotlight for working in small corners or in the night. And unlike various other options out there, this is a battery-powered hammered drill that uses 20V batteries. These batteries last for a decent period of time since this hammer drill uses a brushless motor. Number 3. Our third best pick is BOSCH Hammer Power Drill. BOSCH is another highly reputable brand of power tools that offers a lot of options out there. It even makes a highly powerful 1-inch hammer drill that we have mentioned here. As said earlier, this is a 1-inch hammer drill that comes with a 1350 RPM motor. And this makes it a highly powerful option due to its 8A motor. It is a highly reliable option as BOSCH is known for making high-quality products. Since it is a premium option, it comes with various accessories. It also includes a grip handle on the front that can be quite handy for precision. You get a total of 3 modes in this hammer drill that can be quite useful in different kinds of applications. These modes include rotation, rotary hammer, and hammer-only mode. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is ENEACRO Hammer Drill. ENEACRO is a relatively small brand that specializes in developing heavy-duty power tools that get the job done. The brand is well known for manufacturing durable products that will serve you well for a long time. ENEACRO's hammer drill is powered by a 13A industrial motor to deliver up to 820 RPM. The motor is made of heat-resistant copper wire that prevents overheating and provides an efficient and long working life. The anti-dust bottom structure further extends the life of the hammer drill. The hammer drill comes with 4 different functionalities: drilling, chiseling, hammer drilling, and chisel position adjustment. There are 2 different switches that provide for easy switching between the different functions. With these functions, the hammer drill is a perfect tool for a wide variety of work scenarios. The hammer drill uses a maximum drilling diameter of 1¼ inches for concrete and ½ inches for metal. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is Milwaukee Cordless Compact Hammer Drill. Milwaukee is one of the most reputable brands of power tools out there. It is known for making high-quality power tools. This hammer drill from Milwaukee comes with an 1800 RPM motor that powers its ½ drill bit. And the best thing about this is that it is not a corded hammer drill. Instead, it uses 18V batteries that are easy to replace and offer a decent battery life. It even includes LED lights that can be quite handy while drilling in the night and small corners. You get a total of 3 drilling modes in this hammer drill that are useful for different kinds of materials and surfaces. This also comes with an ambidextrous belt clip that allows you to carry this hammer drill with you easily. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.